Hello guys, welcome back to another drone fly I want to relate. Today we are in Loughton, Essex. So without further ado, let's take off. Let's see, looking at the tree, are we? Nope. So it's a nice sunny day here. So yeah, yesterday I did a drone fly in Uxbridge and Norfolk Park. Now I'm here in Loughton. So I was gonna fly early in the day, but it was tremendously hot today. It was, the UV index was so high and it was tremendously hot that I thought, and yesterday, like, it was so hot, like I couldn't even stand outside. It's not good for your skin, so I just thought, let's do it later in the day, next day. And it's later in the day now, and we still get a nice sunny shot, but it's not as sunny anymore. All right, 360 photos now complete. Let's just zip around this area. So where should we go now? We should go towards the Sainsbury's area. There's Sainsbury's right over here. Let's get a 360 tour of that. We'll get a tour of downtown, the town of Loughton. Let's get a 360 tour of this. See, it's cooler now. It was really hot earlier during the day. At noon it was really hot. Like, I don't think I'd be, because there's pretty much no shade at 12 o'clock. I mean, I do get better drone footage, let's be real, but there's literally no shade, and literally it's not good. Like, I get headaches, and it's really hot when I fly during the day. So that's why that's why I'm flying right now in the evening. And the footage still does look good. It doesn't look bad. Let's explore the town centre down here. We need to go back towards this area. See, still good footage, even though we get more shadows. But because of the more shadows, I'm now standing in the shade. I've got shade for me. I've got shade to stand in. Same thing when I flew in Norfolk Park yesterday in London Borough of Brent, and I flew in Uxbridge in London Borough of Hillingdon. Like, yesterday in Norfolk Park, I flew too low. Like, whenever I fly in open spaces, I like to fly low to the grass to get a sense of speed, to get like a real sense of speed. But then I flew too low. I mean, it was low. I was confident that it was not going to hit the grass, but then some tall, it was like toolless, it was like really thin, tall grass that took the drone down. That's what took the drone down. I looked at the footage yesterday, that's what took it down. And I took my case off, and it actually helped a lot, because I took the case off my phone so it doesn't overheat. Even when I flew yesterday in Neasden, the other day in Neasden, my phone just turned off during the drone flight, so I bring it back with the controller. That never happened. I usually bring it back with the screen, because I'm so used to it now. I'm so used to flying with the screen, because I actually find it better, to be honest, because you get better footage. Most people do that while flying drones anyway. Most drone flyers I know of. Last year, I've actually come here with my drone, this area. I went to Epping, then I realised my controller was left at home when I was about to take off. So that was a complete wasted trip, but it wasn't really a waste. I explored it, that area, and I made a video about that. I could easily go there again, but I haven't been there because I just like to go all parts of London, but probably do that in the near future. Go get that drone shot of Epping, which I never did last year, but I'll do this year. I was going to go there now. I was thinking of going there now, but I thought since it's so hot that the Central Line trains are actually baking, I thought let's just get out earlier. Let's just get out at Epping. Let's just get out at Loughton, which is where I am now. And of course I've got 2 drone batteries, but if I use my other one, it's going to be even later in the day, so I think it's the best time to fly, because otherwise the sun's going to be too low. That's why I'm only using 1 drone battery today, and it's all solar charged. So all my drone flights lately has all been solar charged. Just to explore the neighbourhood of Loughton in Essex. I mean, London buses run here, so does it really class as London? Well, it's not in a London borough. I mean, even outer London boroughs were in the counties before 1965. That's when all the boroughs formed. Look at that! Look, you know, something about that shot looks so sick. When you see a car emerge in that shot. When if you just get a 360 shot of that, wait for a car to come through there. There's a person walking through there. Nice little countryside area. Let's come back towards here. Are you going to see a car come through again? Oh, we are wasting our battery. Let's go towards this area. Or not. You can see how the trees are in line with the road. Yep, there's no car coming through there now. Kind of missed it. You might see it come through again. Oh yeah, there we go. Something about this shot looks so sick. We see another one coming. Look at that, that is sick. That shot looks amazing. I should do more drone flights in out of London. I've done one in Chesham, which is in the county of Buckinghamshire. I've done quite a few drone flights in Essex. I've done one in Harlow, done one in Epping Forest, and I need to explore a bit more of Essex with my drone, so, and other parts of the UK as well. I've done a drone flight in Leicester as well, a few drone flights in Leicester. Look at that hilly street. Let's explore the whole area. I know it's later in the day, but we are getting good footage. I mean, I would prefer it if it was earlier in the day where the sun's like at noon. When it's just too hot, like you can't even stand anywhere because there's pretty much limited shadows and it's just really hard to stand, and you get overheated really quickly. And you can get sunburned as well. So that's why I'm wearing sunscreen. I've been wearing sunscreen for the past few days because the UV index is so high, but at this time the UV index is not as strong. Let's get a shot of this area. We haven't gone this way. Let's go this way. See, look, it's a lot sunnier in this side. Need to get a shot of a train as well. We'll see if a train comes from a distance, whether it comes westbound or eastbound. See, it's quite hilly in this area. When I flew in Cheshire, that was quite hilly. There was a lot of valleys and hills there. And same thing when I fly in southeast London, or when I fly in North London. It's quite hilly in those areas as well. Let's get a shot of the white car. You know what? I want to carry on going down here. Just different to get like rural shots. Let's get a shot of rural England. I don't know what's down there at the far end. It looks like it's going towards... It looks like it's going towards Epping, that area. I want to see if I can get a shot of a train, but trains are not as frequent in this area. Actually, let's not face up too much, because in the sun makes the footage look a bit harsh. A lot of swimming pools here as well. Look at that. See the blue. And then we got the area that we're flying in. Sainsbury's, we had a Morrison's in this area as well, but that's a bit further down. We got a shot of that already. Oh, should we get a shot of? Should we get a lower down shot of this area down here? I think the Morrison's down towards here. We got a shot of that already. That green car, but that's pulled up there, so I wanted to record something moving. Let's go to sports mode. That reminds me when I went to sports mode in Norfolk Park, which is what I mentioned earlier. Flew in sports mode, tumbled in the grass, but luckily the gimbal's alright. Just that was what I was concerned about. I'm just worried about the future of the gimbal because of that tumble. Because I had a similar kind of thing happen at Worcester Park when I flew in southwest London. Let's follow this car, that car. Let's stay at the same speed as the car. I did the exact same thing when I flew in Finchley, North London, or Henley's Corner. I flew in Henley's Corner. Of course it's slowing down, so we have to match the speed. We've got a train actually. Let's get a shot of the train before we land our drone. I hear the train, so let's get a shot of that really quickly. It's going. It's going southbound, it's going towards London. Got another train coming here. Let's get a shot of this area as well. What else should we get a shot of? Got a train that's just come here as well. Let's get a orbit shot of the train. After today, this weather's not going to be as good anymore. I mean, it's going to be at least cooler, but it's going to be a bit windier, so it's going to be hard for the drone flights, but at least it's going to be cooler. So yeah, I want this no wind weather so I can fly my drone, but at the same time, this no wind weather, when it's zero wind, we just get absolutely baked by the sun. So no matter what, it's hard to fly the drone. Unless I fly at a time like this, which is what I'm doing now. So I think this is the best time to fly a drone. Unless I can find shade, which is what I did when I flew in Uxbridge. That time it was actually scorching. Anyway, that was our amazing drone flight here in Loughton, in Essex. Let's land our drone now. Get a top down shot. Here we go, beeping started. Bit windy. Alright, so anyway, that was my amazing drone flight here in Loughton, in Essex. I hope you enjoyed this drone flight, and I'll speak to you in the next one. Thank you for watching.